Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a 2-bedroom, 1-bath manufactured home at lot J-18 in Carteret Mobile Park. Carteret Mobile Park is a land lease community based in Carteret, New Jersey. So this house is really nice looking. It was just built not too long ago. We've got this really nice chandelier here, those custom curtains there. This kitchen is really nice. I think the subway tile and the counter look really, really good together. This is the fridge. All of the appliances in this household are energy efficient, making this house Energy Star certified. Here's the dishwasher. I think the farm sink looks really, really great, especially that little cover part that comes down over the cabinets. Here's the microwave. There's a little rack in there for you. This is a stove oven combination, and it has a little heater pad at the bottom that you can see in a moment. Right here's where we keep all the warranties for you for all of the appliances. This is the back door. This is what a view from the outside looks like. This house comes equipped with outside water and electric. Here's where you can place your dryer and washer. Here's the electrical panel. It is 100 amps, just like a regular home. And we have everything already labeled for you. This house is central air conditioning. You can see the thermostat right there. This is the bathroom. We have double bypass doors here. And you can see that there are 2 seats there. So let's take a look at the bedroom. And all of the windows in this house are thermal pane, or double thermal pane. Again, keeping heat in during the winter and cool in during the summer. That's the water heater right there. That's the Energy Star certification. This is the water shutoff valve. Now let's take a look at the furnace here real quick. We have new furnace doors on. And this furnace is responsible for the forced hot air and the central air conditioning. This is the second bedroom, and it's got quite a lot of light in it from the window there. Now, if you'd like to acquire about one of our homes, please go to www.myhomeincarteret.com, and there you can fill out the pre-qualifying questions to get you updates on any new houses we have and get you on your path to owning one of these homes.
Harbor Crossings is a Dolan Homes community owned by the Dolan family. We're a small family business. We've been in operation for almost 40 years now. This is Robert Dolan, who is the managing member of Dolan Homes. We build innovative, quality manufactured homes in our 3 New Jersey communities: in Edison Mobile Estates, Harbor Crossings, and Carteret Mobile Park. This is my husband, my nephew, and my son. This is our amazing crew. Everyone's on board to build you the most beautiful manufactured home. This is our maintenance team in Harbor Crossings. This is our construction team. Our community is a beautiful, safe location for having a home, making it affordable. Harbor Crossings pays the real estate taxes, so you're leasing the land, and we're building beautiful manufactured homes. This is my husband and myself. This is our office fronting Black Horse Turnpike. You can email us for an appointment. We see everybody by appointment only. This is our office. We have everybody go to the website where all the explanations, the process, and the available homes are listed. We're really proud of our location. We're in the downtown Egg Harbor Township area, just about to be redeveloped, which is called the Cardiff Redevelopment. And it's going to encompass the whole area in which we are located. And they'll be adding more sidewalks and better access to stores on the other side where the old Boscov's and the Harbor Square is located. And it's a very exciting time to be in Egg Harbor Township. We're minutes from the beaches and great locations. So come check us out. We can't wait to hear from you. There's our website. That's where you start.